Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about Snapchat. So guys, sometimes you get this message that due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. So guys, if you're facing this problem while logging into your Snapchat, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that just open settings on your device, and from here tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage, and from here tap on Snapchat, and from here just offload Snapchat for one time and then reinstall Snapchat on your device and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after offloading this app, you will have to reinstall your Snapchat and then you will have to log in again and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the second solution, that is you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN on your device, you will have to just turn it off to fix this problem. So guys, here you can see there is no connected VPN on my device. So guys, disconnect all connected VPNs to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the third solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to open any browser on your device, and from here you will have to search for support Snapchat. Here it is, search it, and from here tap on Snapchat support. Wait for some seconds, and from here tap on my account is compromised. Wait again for some seconds. So guys, here you will have to send a request to Snapchat authorities. So guys, click here on I cannot access my account, and from here you will have to click on I see an error message when I log in. So guys, click here, and after this wait for some seconds. So guys, from here tap on yes, and here you will have to give your username. So guys, give here your username, and after this give your active email address for contact, and then give here your mobile number for contact, and from here select your device, and from here give a date on which date you are having this trouble, and from here take a screenshot and then upload it, and from here just give a brief description about your error, and after this submit request to Snapchat authorities. So guys, after this hopefully they will contact you in 24 hours and they will try to fix your problem, and you will get your problem solved by the Snapchat authorities. So guys, hopefully after all the solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.